Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into Kwik Trip credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser first, and in the search box at the top type in Kwik Trip credit card login and press enter. On the next page where all of your social results are displayed, click on this first link that says Kwik Trip Wealthy/Home. In the home page of Kwik Trip, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go to the Fleet tab and then click on the Login button in order to log into your credit card account. Enter your email address in the next page right at the top. Now head over to the password field and type in your password. If you'd like to double-check your password, click on this little icon at the right corner of the box if you'd like the system to remember your login information, but this box over here, but leave this box unchecked. If you're using a public device or a shared computer, in case you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, you can click on this Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After entering all of your credentials, and you're ready to log in, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into Kwik Trip credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, do give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.